They know it's there. They rely on it automatically without paying attention. But when it stops working correctly, there's no more frustrating problem they need you to solve. Today, we're talking about how you can be a superhero to your customers by fixing their window regulator problems. First, let's dive into what a window regulator is and how it functions within a vehicle. For service advisors, understanding the components and operations is crucial to solving your customers' problems. Now, on the surface, a windows regulator's job is simple. They're tasked with moving car windows up and down and exist in two main types: manual, involving a hand crank, and power, which operates at the touch of a button. Today, most modern vehicles use cable-driven power regulators, which are equipped with a motor that drives the movement via cables. Educate yourself on common symptoms indicating regulator issues. Your ability to identify these can significantly impact your tech's diagnostic capabilities. First, listen. Grinding or clicking noises when operating windows are often early signs of wear or impending failure. Check for mechanical symptoms. The windows that won't stay up, drop down unexpectedly, or appear misaligned can point to a regulator problem. How does it operate? A window moving unusually fast or slow or not responding at all might signal a faulty motor or switch. So your next question is why? Understanding causes can help you communicate effectively with techs and customers alike. Could be environmental factors at play. Cold climates or past vehicle impacts can strain or misalign regulators. Could be wear and tear. Frequent use, especially in power window systems, can lead to motor or component breakdowns over time. Your customers may think they can live with the inconvenience of a sluggish or inoperative window, or may believe they can do the repair themselves. When advising on repairs, highlight the complexity of the job and why professional service is valuable. Disassembly and installation can be a challenge. Replacing a regulator involves removing the door panel, handling electronic connections, and ensuring all elements are correctly reinstalled. Your techs have the specialized knowledge to do the job right. Stress the precision required to prevent further issues, making professional repairs advantageous. Always select quality replacement parts, a critical aspect of service effectiveness. Aftermarket window regulators from TrakMotive, for example, placements often feature improved designs with stronger cables, upgraded pulleys, and smart features like anti-pinch technology. Look for regulators that simplify installation and provide longevity using materials like metal brackets instead of plastic for durability. Once the problem has been corrected, some preventative maintenance procedures can keep your customers happy in the future. Recommend regular cleaning of window tracks and channels to prevent dirt buildup. Recommend lubricating moving parts such as gears and cables to reduce friction and wear. Urge caution against slamming doors or neglecting windows, which can lead to misalignment or additional stress on components. They may never think about it until the day they need to, and then a faulty window regulator may seem to be the most important thing in your customer's world. Stay informed about evolving technologies, and aftermarket innovations remain a reliable source of information for technicians and customers alike by visiting TrakMotive.com.